Ukuthi ngizoshutha kanjani njengoba lena nje emnyango. Sengikhohliwe what shade this is. Sengikhohliwe. I don't know. Every time I pull up ngenza man, wenza ngani, bengingeke, sengikhona, sekumnandi, hawe ma. Every time I pull up ungasabi, kuva kuze kusecima ibala. Every time I pull up ngenza man, wenza ngani, bengingeke, sengikhona, sekumnandi, hawe ma. Every time I pull up ungasabi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because I have a photo shoot that I need to do for an Instagram campaign, for a campaign that I'm doing on Instagram. But anyways, this is a tutorial just to get you picture ready, photo shoot ready. You know, on days maybe if you want to take some pictures for your social media, or maybe you just want to go out for brunch with the girls. Either way, this is a tutorial just to make you look a bit more fabulous. I need to compete with the sound of the rain today for this tutorial because it just started pouring with rain. It's been thundering a bit as well, so if you hear that, just know there's a bit of a storm outside, but we love the rain, we love the blessings that come with it. So please stay tuned in, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay, so as always, I've already done my brows off camera, but I do need to clean them up a bit, so I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer. Today I'll be using my LA Girl Pro concealer. I'll probably mix it up with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I will just clean up these brows quickly. If the rain gets too hectic, I will just do a voiceover of this tutorial, even though I kind of wanted it to be more of a chit chat tutorial. Where's my concealer brush? Okay, with brush on hand, we can get this tutorial started. So I'm just going to clean up my brows a bit. By the way, I did my own individual lashes this time around. It was my first attempt. I don't think it was too bad. Actually like how they look. I love the end result. Maybe I should consider doing this more often, eh? You know what? Your girl needs a ring light. That's what I need. If anyone gets me something for my birthday, get me a ring light. Hi, Bisc. Hi. Shame. My dog Biscuit always comes to check up on me. So if I'm in my room, he will come. Hi, Bisc. Hi, I love you. I love you, Bisc. So he always comes to my window. If I'm sitting in the lounge, he comes to the window by the lounge to peep through and check if I'm okay. Such a sweet dog. So I've blended out my brows. Happy with the way that they look. And now I will be moving on to some primer. The primer that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Hydrate Primer. I love this primer. It is very, very hydrating. I wouldn't be surprised if it has like hyaluronic acid in it. But you'll see, it makes the glow be present, if you get what I mean. This is the kind of primer that I'm talking about. It's not really a mattifying primer. I don't like mattifying primers because I don't know, hey, I think my skin has sort of migrated to the dry side, hey? I don't know why. I mean, fine, I've never had oily skin, but like now it feels like it's getting drier and drier, so I don't know. By the way, I've already applied sunscreen off camera. Don't forget your sunscreen, you know. So I'm gonna go straight in with the foundation because I'm not really gonna do a hectic eyeshadow look. As I said, this is just more of a look to be photo shoot ready, not necessarily like a glam look. So today, I think I will use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I will mix it up a bit with my Sephora Glow foundation. As you can see, this is a bit of a darker shade, this is a bit of a lighter shade, and my skin tone is sort of in between. Somehow the Infallible foundation has become a bit lighter than I am. I don't know why my skin tone changes throughout the year, you know, between summer and winter. But anyway, so I'm just gonna mix these two foundations together to try get the blend that I'm looking for, and I will just test it quickly on my skin. So now I'm going to be going in with my concealer in all the areas that I want to highlight. And as I said, I'm using the Fit Me concealer and the LA Girl Pro concealer. I will be mixing them up. Ukuthi ngizoshutha kanjani njengoba lena nje emnyango? I'm now going to go in with my loose powder from Yardley. What shade this is? I don't know, but I know that it's not translucent. I do also have the translucent one, but I find that this one with just a bit more of a black person's pigment looks better and less ashy. But okay, I forgot, honestly. And just like pat it in, hey? Like don't sweep to the side. Like just like pat it in gently. So now I'm going to be going in with an OG, literally an OG. I have had this highlight and contour palette for the longest time. Like I don't even remember when I got it. I wonder if NYX still even makes this. But anyways, this is the NYX highlights and contour palette. This is my Bible for contouring. This is my contouring Bible, literally. So I will be going in with the shade, the one that has hit pan, As you can see, your girl doesn't play when it comes to this particular shade. Like, it has literally hit pan, it is done, and I need to let go of it, but like I can't. So don't forget to make your fish face. So I will also be going in with my MAC blush in the shade Gingerly. I love this blush. It is so natural looking. It's like, it's there, but it's not there. So for my eyes, I think I will use the same blush, the Gingerly blush. I'll use that for my eyes, just to give it a bit of color. What I will also do is, I have my other blush from MAC. It is called Ambering Rose. It's almost the same. It's almost the same as the Gingerly. Let me put both of them up. It's almost the same as the Gingerly, just that the Ambering Rose has a bit more of a shimmer than the Gingerly does. But it's more or less the same shade, except that Ambering Rose has a shimmer, which I want a little bit of shimmer, as always. I think right now I'm gonna just add a bit of setting spray just to take away all the powdery finishes. Oh, and my fixing spray is the Hyaluronic Fix, also from Makeup Revolution. I love this. It is dewy. It gives you a lovely glow. I also don't like matte fixing sprays because then they make my face look like it's about to crack. So, yeah. Oh, I love this look so far because it's such a clean look. It's fresh, it's clean, and it's doing all the things that I needed to do. I have this mascara from Dior. It's like a pump and volume mascara. I'll just use that for my lower lashes. Guys, I don't like eyeliner, hey? Like, I don't want eyeliner in my eyes. Like, I don't want eyeliner. So you've probably noticed that in most of my looks, I don't use eyeliner unless, I don't know, for some reason it needs to be part of that particular look. But me, I'll just skip the eyeliner and walk right past it, hey? I'd rather just use mascara on my lower lashes and call it a day. And now I think I am going to line my lips and put on some lipstick. As always, I like to line my lips with my brow pencil. So now I will be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Athens. Okay, lips almost sorted. Gonna go in with this cute lip gloss that I got as a, you know, at home. a gift from Dior when I was purchasing something there. But it's really cute. It's the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. It's so cute. Look at that. I mean, now it's time for my fave, which is highlighter. I think today I'm going to use the Scarlet Hill one. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the Contour and Glow palette from Scarlet Hill. I will use the highlighter shade from there. I think this one. Let's see. If it's not enough, I'll probably use my MAC highlighter, Gold Deposit, or my Wet n Wild highlighter. But let's just see how this turns out. I don't know. Can you see the highlighter? Is it shimmering enough? Do I need to add more? And I think we're done. I think this is the look. I'm gonna go off camera quickly to do my hair and come back to show you what the final product is. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I'm shooting something that is more on the sporty side. It's a sporty daytime look. So thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I love that it looks more natural and classic, and it's the type of makeup look that can go with anything, whether you're going to a tennis match, whether you're going to have some brunch, whether you're going on a date with a special somebody, or whether you're just going to work or going for a photo shoot, it works. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.